Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, realtor in London, Ontario. I'm so excited to take you through this newest listing in the beautiful Lambeth Park Estates. Now, what I'm most excited about with this property is to show you the potential that it has to be your next dream home. You're going to see that the property is absolutely breathtaking. You've got mature trees and privacy on a huge estate-sized lot. Now, if you don't have an imagination, I think you're going to enjoy that we've had a designer do up two different options to show you what this home could look like with some simple updates to the cosmetic finishes. But we also had a little fun with it and had them completely open up the main floor plan and reimagine what's here so you can truly see the potential. So bring your own contractor, bring your own designer, and bring your imagination to see if this home could just be your next dream home. Thanks for watching.